Hi, are you an artist and you're searching for your own voice and style? And maybe you love to experiment new art techniques? If yes, then I invite you to my new Skillshare class, where I will teach you how to use watercolor and masking fluid in a fun and modern way.
Hi, my name is Anya. I work as an illustrator. Recently, I also studied book illustration at Academy of Fine Arts here in Italy. In this class, you will learn two things. The first is that you will use watercolor in a fun and modern way. You will paint plants or trees in a modern technique. And also you will learn how to use masking fluid in order to create lovely textures. I think it's fundamental to do exercises to paint every day and to try new techniques, new styles in order to create your own voice. So I think that by the end of this class, you will be one step ahead in this process. I'm very excited about this class because it's the first class that I do that it's not complex. It's made of some simple exercises. I think it's a lot of fun and that they will help you in your creativity. This class is for everybody. No prior knowledge is needed. If you're new to watercolors and to masking fluid, the exercises are really simple. And also the masking fluid is the topic that I will explain really in a detailed way here. So here are the major steps that we will take in this class. First, I will show you inspirations that are references for me. Then I'll show you art supplies and we will dive deeply into the masking fluid. So I will explain you this medium. I will show you how to apply it. Then we will paint trees, and also I have a bonus lesson where I will show you how I paint a final tree illustration. So I'm very happy to welcome you. If you're curious, then let's jump into the next lesson where I will explain in the details this class's project.